I, Johan Chanakacharakayanage, do solemnly, sincerely, and truly declare that I will be faithful and bear true allegiance to the Republic of Fiji according to law, and that I will obey, observe, uphold, and maintain the Constitution of the Republic of Fiji and all other laws of Fiji, and that I solemnly without fear, favor, or prejudice.
Your Honor,
Your Excellency.
congratulations